Read them and actually do the work. Reclaiming our power will require that we take action and then stay in action. My coach says the antidote for despair is action. So when we stay in action, that's one of the ways that we're able to encourage ourselves as well. And so we have to be intentional about creating the lives that we want and reclaiming what's rightfully ours as women. There are some things that I want you to remember. The first thing is that you are enough. Wherever you are, whatever situation you find yourself in right now, you are enough. That's a starting place. You are deserving and worthy of whatever your dreams are. It doesn't matter what other people think about your dreams and your goals or your aspirations. It's not theirs, it's yours. So whatever you are, however large that dream is, however small that dream is, it's yours. You are deserving and you're worthy of it. The second thing I want to share with you is that you're deserving and worthy of love. We crave love. We crave companionship. We were born for companionship. And you know, at a period of time when I was single, my best friend said to me that, you know, companionship isn't always romantic. We find companionship in the company of good friends. We laugh, we talk, we have enjoyment. And then there's this period of time when we face that loneliness. It could be the loss of a loved one. It could be the breakup of a relationship that our personality and identity was so tied into. I want you to know that you are worthy of taking a pause, looking inside of you, honoring what you've lost, missing what you've lost, but know that the future has something bright for you regardless of that loss. You are deserving of a love that honors you, of a man that cherishes you, someone who sees inside of you the creation that God has placed there and is willing to help you bring your purpose to life. You are really deserving of that. So I want to encourage you to find a mentor.